You want to make it in trucking? The number one thing to be successful in anything in this world is discipline. Everyone always falls back on luck, but what happens when your luck runs out? What happens when your truck breaks down? What happens when the economy changes? Things happen. Yes, you might have had a couple wins, but with that said, luck is something that you do not rely on. See, if you have discipline, that means you have consistency. And so when luck fails you, your discipline and consistency is what will pull you through. At the end of the day, the more discipline you have, the more consistency you have, you'll build a strong foundation, which will equal to more luck and totals to more opportunity. And that's what you want in this world, more opportunity. The thing that you do not want to do right now while you're watching this video is the very thing that you should be doing right now, building up your craft, building up your talent, and getting the damn thing done. You already know what it is. You just need the motivation. That's why I'm here. I'll do this all day, man. I'll give you the energy. Let's go.
We'll be right back.